So this is one of the other projects that we have. It's a 97 Mustang V6. We're gonna go 302 swap with carburetor and everything, but we already have too many 302s, and I know there's not such thing as too many 302s, but we just try to do it simple. This car was in really bad shape. It was crashed. I believe it was crashed on this side because this fender was repaired, but not as bad as the other side. The other side actually moved this whole section inside. We even had to do a pull right here, and you can still see the spacing. We need to work with the spacing a little bit. At the moment, we took off the bumper because the bumper we had on was super messed up. It was original. We already got a bumper for it. We're currently working on it, doing some body work. Under the hood, there isn't anything too crazy. This car used to be black and gold. As of now, we haven't really worked or upgraded anything performance-wise. We just changed the intake because it was messed up. We have a video on that and why it got messed up. We also have another video on that. Little hydro dipping, just testing our hydro dipping skills. From there, interior's messed up, a little bit messed up. It's standard. Interior wise, we haven't put the door panels, and there's a lot of little stuff that we're missing, but we have everything. We also need the bottom part of the, we have to put the rear mirror. We already took it for a test drive without it, and all the back part, because you know, to put these, you basically have to disassemble the whole back part. So we also need to put that, and I need the third brake light. But yeah, it's a little project V6 that we have. What we want to put into it, and we already have it, the parts for it, is convert. We want to convert it into a split port intake manifold. So which is only, this one only has the ports, the intake ports here, and the other one has two for each cylinder. And the top intake manifold also changing into a, I think it was a F-150 intake manifold, and put a bigger throttle body and do some custom intake and probably get some exhaust on it and everything. The good thing about this one is it's standard, it's manual. But yeah, it's basically what we're trying to accomplish with this one. The paint job, I painted it myself when I was in college. It's alright for my first painted car. Grabber blue from the 70s. I didn't want the new one. But yeah, we're gonna be posting up more videos on this project. We still don't know we're gonna go full out like race car or daily. Because if we go full out race car, we might do more stuff to it. But yeah, stay tuned for more videos, and like, share, and subscribe.